Today, folks, we've got to clean this van. Oh my goodness, check this out. What a mess. This thing is terrible.
Well, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Today I have something just a little bit different for you. We're going to be cleaning my Honda Odyssey, my daily driver. This thing is dirty. It actually doesn't look too bad back here, but with the kids, there's, you know, crumbs and trash, and try to get this thing all cleaned out. And also wash it. This is wintertime, so like there's salt and dirt on the roads. Bad for everything. So we're going to get this dirt cleaned off, maybe even have time to wax it. We'll see how far we get. So what I have here is my 2008 Honda Odyssey. The mileage would be 96,027. We love our Honda Odyssey. Pretty standard features. Does have leather, sunroof, 19-inch rims off of the Acura ZDX, and then I got Honda center caps to put in the middle. It looks like factory. I did tint the windows, of course. This here's 20, and then on the back I put 20% on top of factory. And then the very back window, I put 5% on because there was no tint whatsoever back there. So I think in the daylight, even traveling down the road, the back windows are that dark you cannot see in. So we like our privacy. We're gonna head down to the shop where the pressure washer is to knock some of this dirt off and get this thing sponged real good with soap and water. Got the shop door coming up. Washing inside is definitely the way to do it in the winter time. Got my truck sitting there actually. Pressure washer's right there. What I like to do first, Armor All wheel and tire cleaner, extreme. I like this for cleaning my wheels and tires. So what I do before I even start the pressure washer is get this soaked onto the tires. It makes the tires nice and black again, lifts all the dirt out of the pores. Also it's safe for wheels, and it really helps to lift the dirt out of the wheels. I like to get in between the spokes, kind of in the backside there where all that brake dust is. And that will turn brown here soon. I got the back one done already. It's starting to turn brown just a little bit. I like to do all of them. And if you're at a car wash, you can do this too. If you want to do an automatic car wash, what I usually do is take my can along to the car wash, and right after I pay, before I enter the car wash, I spray this on the tires, and then you're good to go. Ow, my hand's getting tired. Use this one. Good stuff. Armor All is my favorite as far as this wheel and tire cleaner goes. It's one of the cheaper ones, and I think it works really well for lifting the dirt out. All right, that's done. I have car wash soap, a low pressure wand, and I like to pre-soak my car with this before I even start the pressure washer, especially like from the window level down. And this tip is kind of messed up, but it works. So I just go around and get this stuff on, soak it. The place where I work here has a lot of trucks for delivering, and so this is all set up to keep our trucks clean. Wheel wells, get them good and soaking. Oh yeah. All right, now the pressure washer. And if you're doing this at home and you have a pressure washer you're hooking up to a garden hose, always remember to turn the water on before you start your pressure washer and bleed the air out of the hose. Now, here we have our water hooked up at all times, so we don't usually get air in the system. So I turn it on. Into the time lapse. Water. I'll put a little extra in just because it's very dirty. And go to your faucet and get yourself some nice warm water to keep your hands from freezing. What I like to do with the pressure washer is knock that dirt off. That way, when you go to sponge it, you don't have that extra dirt in your sponge that's going to be making a problem, scratches and all that. When you start washing your car, do you start from the top or from the bottom? You start at the bottom, right? Nope. So what we're going to do is start with the roof. And I see we have a little bit of a problem here with this thing. We're going to need some glue for that weather stripping. This thing has been coming off every time I come down here and pressure wash my van. Cue the time lapse. What a difference. I mean, that thing is just shining. Amazing. The thing looks so good when it's cleaned up. Next thing is to dry it off, because water will make spots on your paint and your windows, and it's so hard to get off once it dries that way. Water droplets usually blade right off with the blade. So that's what we're gonna do, go over it and get the main part of the water off, and then go with the Chevy and get the last little bit off. You just kind of work the water down. It works really slick. It really does. This water blade has served me for probably 10 years now. I've had this water blade for like the longest time. Works great. Okay, door jambs are of utmost importance to clean because they have water spots and dirt in as well. So after you're done washing, wiping down the outside of it, go ahead and get yourself a nice microfiber drying cloth and get these door jambs wiped clean. Got the windows clean, got them sparkling. To clean the interior, I like to use McGuire's Interior Detailer Cleaner, and this is safe for all interior surfaces, restores and protects. And what I like about it, it does not have a greasy film after you're finished. It's a nice clean feeling, so you can do steering wheels and you know, that type of thing. Last but not least, we got to do a little bit of tire shine. Here we go, McGuire's Reflect.
Right guys, there you have it. All shiny, cleaned up. Got the polish on the tires.
Thanks for tuning in today, watching. Please subscribe to the MUNCIE YouTube channel, and we will catch you in the next upload. Have a great night.